So I'm in Adobe Express and I want to change my text to add some kerning, which is just the space in between the letters. I want to add some space between those letters, and also the line spacing. I want to space out these lines so that they're not intersecting with each other. And if you are in Adobe Express and you cannot edit your text or select your text, you may have something above it in the layer stack. So if I go over here to the layers, you just need to click the text that you want and select enter on your keyboard, and that will make it editable. Oop. And if not, if you don't want to do it that way, you can also just bring it up to the top and you can get access to it that way. So I just wanted to bring that up because it happens a lot to me. Yeah, so let's get into it. It's pretty simple. You just need to know where to look in order to make this change. And the area to look is just this button here. You're looking for text spacing. So when you select text spacing on the left-hand side with the text selected, you'll see letter spacing, which is what I was calling kerning. And here you can kind of slide to add spacing, or you can just enter in a number yourself. So I've got it at 12 here. Let's try 15. That's giving it some room to breathe. Each letter has some space. And then, of course, line spacing, where I can slide it up and give some more spacing in between those separate lines. And there's also a paragraph spacing option. For me, this doesn't make sense because I don't have paragraphs. So if you do, you can play around with that. But that is essentially it. Yeah, this option's great. You're going to use it a lot in Adobe Express, and I recommend getting used to all your different options here. And if you have any questions or you're just learning Adobe Express, please join me in my playlist. I've got a lot of different videos on all sorts of topics that you may encounter. Thank you.